Hey yogi, it might be helpful to have a pillow for this mellow hip stretching practice. So you might grab one and let's come onto our backs with the knees bent. Let's draw the right knee in towards your chest. Take hold of the right foot with your left hand and guide it slowly in the direction of the left shoulder. Of course, it doesn't have to touch, but you're looking for some room to be made at the outer right hip. Let's breathe. Then lift the left knee and interlace your fingers around it. Pull the knee in close as you flex the right foot. Soften the neck. Give yourself as much resistance or tension as feels right in your body. Long breaths. So unlace the hands, place the left foot back down, bend the right knee and extend that leg. Place the right foot on the mat and hug the left knee in towards your chest. Take hold of that foot with your right hand and guide it in the direction of the right shoulder. Let this be a soft initial opening. Connect to breathing. And guide the right knee up toward that left outer foot. Interlace your fingers around it and hug the knee in as close as feels like a good level of tension. Soften at the seat and the hips. Even soften at the neck and face. Let the breathing roll in and out. Slowly unlace, plant the right foot on the ground, hug the left knee in, and extend this leg up toward the sky. Let's plant the left foot back on earth and hug your knees in towards your chest. Rock from side to side. And then rock over to one side. And help yourself up to a seated position. We'll bend the knees, send the heels and feet over to the right side. Plant the right fingers on the ground and sweep the left arm over your ear. Try to trace a line from the bony left seat all the way up the outer hip into your shoulder. So that might mean playing with the angle. Let's stay a while, enjoying breath. Come on up through center. Hug the right knee up. Plant this foot to the outside of the left thigh. Scoot the left foot away enough to set the right hip down. Wrap the left arm around your knee, pulling it across the midline. Plant the right fingers behind you and look behind. So we get a stretch for the right outer hip now. Allow the breaths to expand you from the inside out, making more room in the joints. Give yourself a count or twist. And then face forward and stack the right knee on the left knee. If this feels uncomfortable at all, take your pillow and stuff it underneath your seat evenly. It's all right to sit tall with this or fold forward. Climb back up slowly. Extend your legs, remove any prop, and send the feet over to the left. Plant the left fingers on the ground, reach the right arm up and over. And again, try to find that line of energy that will help you expand this pocket at the right outer hip. Use breath to make some room in your body. Inhale to sit up. Hug this left knee in. Plant the foot to the outside of right thigh. Scoot the right foot away enough to set that left side seat down. Wrap your arm around the left knee to pull it across your body. Plant the left fingers and look behind, looking now for the outer left hip. Enjoy breath. Count or spin. And then face forward for the final posture, stacking the left knee on the right knee. Scoot the feet away enough to be balanced on your seat. If this is tough in any way, come onto your elevation. You could stay right here or tip this forward. Climb up slowly. Return to your comfortable seat. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and even to turn on notifications to get notified when we have more practices, tutorials, and quickies like this. Namaste.